Hi everyone, hope you all are fine. In today's video, we are going to discuss Aristotle. Types of soul. Vegetative soul. This type of soul is possessed by plants, which allows growth, assimilation of food, and reproduction. Number second is sensitive soul. It is possessed by animals. It allows sense and response to the environment, experience pleasure and pain with memory, with the addition of vegetative qualities. Number three is rational soul. It is possessed only by humans. It provides all the functions of the other two souls with rational thought. Aristotle said that our five senses give us the information about the environment. He explained that we perceive due to the motion of objects that stimulate our senses. He claimed that sensory information was the first step in acquiring knowledge. So, sensory experience was necessary but not a sufficient element in the attainment of knowledge. Aristotle postulated a common sense as a mechanism that coordinated the information from all the senses. The job of common sense was to synthesize sensory experience and make it more meaningful. He explained two types of reason, active and passive. Memory. Aristotle explained memory and recall as the results of sense perception. He told that remembering was a spontaneous recollection of something that had been previously experienced. Recall involves an actual mental laws of association. He also presented the laws of association. Those are law of contiguity, law of similarity, law of contrast, and law of frequency. He explained that frequency of occurrence determines the strength of association. Dream. Aristotle also explained about the dreams as the images of past experience. During sleep, the images of past experience may be stimulated by the events inside or outside the body. Happiness. Aristotle says when individual does something natural that fulfills his purpose gives the happiness. To think rationally is human's purpose, while doing so gives the greatest happiness. Humans are characterized by the functions of nutrition, sensation, reproduction, and movement. But human behavior is motivated by appetites. Existence of an appetite causes discomfort, so it stimulates the activity to eliminate it. If activity is successful, individual experiences pleasure like all animal behavior. Much human behavior is hedonistic. Its purpose is to bring pleasure or to avoid pain. However, humans can use rational powers to inhibit their appetites. Our greatest happiness does not come from satisfying our biological needs. Rather, it comes from exercising our rational powers to their fullest. Conflicts often occur between the immediate satisfaction of appetite or more remote rational goals. According to Aristotle, many humans are governed by pleasure and pain that comes from the satisfaction or frustration of appetites. As appetite and reason are part of every human, but one's character is revealed by which of the two domains. Emotion. He said that emotions had the function of amplifying an existing tendency. Emotions also provide a motive for act. They also influence individuals' perception or may cause selective perception. End of Golden Era. He promoted empirical observation as a means of attaining knowledge, and in doing so, he brought Greek philosophy to new heights. Aristotle's death marked the end of the Golden Age of Greece, which had started about 300 years earlier with the philosophy of Thales. After Aristotle's death, philosophers either began to rely on the teaching of past authorities or turned their attention to questions concerning models for human. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, do share it and don't forget to hit the subscribe.